Hello guys and welcome to a new video on this channel, and today very spontaneous actually. Right now I'm on a trip with Manfred and we're traveling through Europe, actually through Czech Republic and Germany, and in Berlin actually we had our very first chance to look and even touch, not just look but even touch the Galaxy Fold, the very first one. And since the second one has just been announced, I thought it would have been a great time or a good moment to just show you our very first reactions to touching and using the Galaxy Fold for the very first time. So here we go, our first real honest impressions. Enjoy.
Oh shit. How amazing is it? You can see the thing there.
Yeah, you can see it, but you can't almost feel it. Like you can only see it at the angle. How do I?
Alright.
Ah.
You still have this weird screen at the front, huh?
That's the first one.
Ah, right. And if you forward now up, will it now go to the... Ah, right.
I mean, that's... We're watching videos, that's awesome. Is there YouTube somewhere? Oh yeah.
It's like this, you can see it all the time.
If I go. Okay. Oh, that's right.
And how are your first impressions?
It's awesome tech, but do I need it?
I'd rather get this instead. It's even 1,000 euros cheaper.
But it got
No,
cheaper.
no,
It's actually quite less expensive now.
Yeah, much cheaper already.
Yeah. There's the sound. Oh, okay.
Where's the speaker? I think here.
There and there. What's happening now? I think I got a bug. Oh no.
What an awesome experience.
I think I broke it. Oh no. Oh no.
Wait, you need to let it load. No, what the hell?
But it shouldn't take that long. Oh, come on.
Come on.
Hello.
The process is like...
The new awesome Galaxy. Oh wow. Oh come on.
Come on, man.
Okay, maybe it's the 4K way. I can't even navigate now. No wait, I want to do something in YouTube though.
Alright.
How do you... Normally
This is a bug.
No, the whole app just froze.
The app is frozen. Wait, what did you do?
I have no idea. How about we just do it again? Wait, let's do it over the internet browser, Oh god.
Ich bewahren von Lesezeichen.
Then we go to Google, mate. There we go. I mean, that's nice.
And if you flip it over, how is it now? Yeah. Maybe you need to unlock it now, huh?
Ah, okay. But now it just...
Yeah,
Okay, wait. Let's give it the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah, no.
No, that doesn't work.
You need to, yeah.
Maybe it just works this way, so you go...
I mean, this screen is really fun.
Yeah, I mean, that's the first gen, that's pretty bad, but how about if I go... Okay, let's just say this way. Takes so long to load.
No, this is unacceptable.
I mean, this is probably the internet though.
Guys,
Good. How about it now? Okay, that works. But this doesn't work.
Forward it. I need to find
Yeah, here you go.
amazing experience.
Look, first it finally happened. Do it. For a second I thought you broke the screen.
This is the first time we are allowed to touch
Yeah,
it.
that's true.
Crazy shot. YouTube.
Yeah, try YouTube again.
Yeah, that's the internet.
Yeah, I mean that's the internet, yeah. Sounds good. I think you need to, yeah. The problem I'm having right now is why have this big screen if you have borders like this?
You're right, because the form factor.
Yeah, I mean you're not. I mean, okay, wait. Let me try something. Maybe, because this is like a cinematic trailer. We give it the benefit of the doubt, so no one can hate us. There you go. Maybe if we just go and take a normal video. The typing experience is nice, I have to tell you.
Yeah, because it's big, yeah? It's wide, not
Yeah.
big, it's wide.
Let's take just a random video. Normally then it should fill up the screen, right?
Yeah, now
Not
it's
even
better,
then. Yeah, but still chunky bezels.
this here.
Yeah. But why? I mean, this is the normal aspect ratio now.
Yeah, it's the screen, what do you say, ratio.
Yeah. Like the problem with Samsung right now is you have this, which is too tall, and then you have this, which is
very tall.
Yeah, which is way too tall.
Yeah, this is like really long.
But how would YouTube videos look like that? Look, you can feel the crease way more.
You can feel it.
But
yeah.
here you feel it less at least.
I mean, this is the Gen 1, so yeah.
Yeah, I mean this is Gen 1 obviously.
Yeah, there you go. Get this instead. I mean, here it's now here.
Yeah, it's got here.
Yeah, right. Might.
But that's nice. I like that.
What do you say, might?
What do I say, my? Google Maps might be nice. That's really nice on such a big display.
Yeah, there you're right. Basically like a tablet.
Yeah, exactly. You get the tablet bonus, yeah.
Yeah.
Man, you can let me take the phone to see it.
Yeah, now it's basically a tablet.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Takes quite a bit to react though.
I mean, yeah, for this price. Now it's sped up a bit. Let me do this one more time.
Yeah. So what is your conclusion?
Nothing changed. But now I saw it.
Yeah, now you saw it. Now you could feel it.
You know, it's the first time it came out of this.
Out of this box, yeah.
Right.
Alright, nice.
See you later then.